Hello everyone, my name is Pranayainchwar. Uh, I am Coding Ninja's Career Camp student. So I have got a task to create a meal app to store and search a meal using the vanilla JavaScript, HTML and CSS. So coming to the interface of the application. So this is the application uh, kitchen's meal, and this is the user interface. It consists of the search meal, random meal button and favorite button. So if we want to search any meal, we can search here, keeping putting input as a, let's take an example as a cakes. So if we search, so we have got a output from the API whatever we have used here. So if we click into the pancake and click to the favorite, so we can able to see the favorite meal into the favorite menu. Here is the pancake. If we click to the button, image of the uh, recipe, so the here we got a recipe and instruction how it is made, and we have a watch recipe button to watch the recipe. And this is used in the used help by the help of the API. If we click to the button, we will reach to the meal recipe video. So this is the and this is the user interface pop-up, and we have used here bootstrap to uh, make the templates here. Coming to the code, this is the HTML file. The project utilizes HTML to create a basic structure of the web page. This includes defining the layout, header, navigation bar, placeholder for the dynamic content. Here we have used bootstrap. This is the link of the bootstrap. This is script tag. We have used awesome icons to display the icons here. And this is the favicon.meal jpg file. We have used from the asset file. This is the header section, navigation section, nav bar link. This is the basic of our HTML. Coming to the CSS part, we have two files, index HTML file and for the next page favorite HTML. Coming to the CSS part, we have the common part, that is style.css. Here the common for the both the pages, for index HTML as well as the favorite HTML. This is the margin and padding for the whole page body. These are the basics of the HTML. We have used the root concept to change the theme as per the bright and dark mode. These are the classes and IDs for the CSS. This is a search container. CSS is used for the styling an HTML element. This involves defining the visual appearance, layout, color, responsiveness of the web pages across the different devices. Coming to the JavaScript, it is the main task and important task for for our project. So here the constants we have used. JavaScript provides the interactive and functionality of the web app that include fetching meal data and external API, handling user interaction like searching for the meal, toggling themes, displaying meal details in the pop-up, and managing the favorites. As we have seen in the previously, how this UI was working. Coming to the async function get random meal. This is used for the fetching a random meal from the external API asynchronously. Here we have used async and await function to fetch the API and make a get get request to the API endpoint for the random meal, await respect.js, convert the response convert the response to the JSON format. It helps to convert into the JSON format and calls the add meal function to display the fetch random meal on the web page. And we have used the search meal function. It fetches the meals based on the search term from the API. Fetch makes get request and at the end point with the search item, and convert the response to the JSON format, an array of a meal that matches the search term. Our next is displaying and merging the meal. This is the display and merging the meal model. Here, dynamically generate the HTML element to display the meal card and handle the additional remover and meal favorite. It also includes event listener for interaction, clicking and heart icon. As we click to the heart icon, it will push to the favorite page, and the icon it will store in the local storage. Add meal, and we have used the new pop-up. Here when we click to the image of the recipe, then the pop-up will come out. It is use the template we have used by the bootstrap, the and we have here YouTube link also, and meal thumb and instruction and recipe. Coming to the favorite page, also we have a theme display dark and light mode. This is the light dark mode. If we have used the if and else statement, according to the user preference, we can change the mode into the dark and light mode. Coming to the favorite file, it is the same as it is in the previous index.js. So here is the only change that we have here. Local storage management, retrieve the favorite meal IDs from the local storage function for adding the removing the meal from the local storage. This how we have created the application by using the vanilla JavaScript, HTML and CSS. Thank you.